The U.S. has unveiled new tariffs on a variety of imports from China, including electric vehicles, lithium batteries, photovoltaic cells, critical minerals, semiconductors, steel, and aluminum. Among the more than a dozen categories of newly targeted Chinese goods, tariffs on Chinese EV imports will rise to 100% this year. An Ethiopian scholar said the U.S. move will have a far-reaching impact on the global climate agenda.
In the short term, it's going to hurt the climate agenda very seriously. We generate huge amounts of polluting gases, and therefore there will be an impact. This is a wrong start for the climate agenda globally, because if countries are going to start doing this, then it's not just electric vehicles. Look at solar panels and other new technologies that China is bringing up in terms of using green energy.
The expert also stressed that collaborative efforts should be made to ensure products will be affordable for everyone through technological advancement.
Collaboration between these different nations that are holders of this technology advancement will be important for the whole world if they can work together to make this technology available to every human being at a cheaper price, at an affordable price, especially when it comes to Africa, where everybody is talking about closing down the digital divide. So China is doing a lot of work in this line. The government is proactively supporting such an evolution from fossil fuels into clean energy, and also at the same time in creating a situation in which every person in the globe would be able to afford these products.